Good morning. Today is the 10th. Is that right?
Yes.
The 10th of September. This is Math 8. Today we're going to talk about proving congruence through transformations. What animal is it? A seal?
Yeah.
Like a seal? All right. So who can do the learning goal for me? Raising a hand. You've got it over there. Griffin? Learning goal.
I can manipulate shapes using transformation.
Excellent. And then Nate, you want to do the why?
Computer graphics are just transformations. I want to be able to understand how software works.
Excellent. So I have 3 different triangles up there. And my question is, are those the exact same triangle?
No.
Yeah. They just
No.
flipped around.
So some people says yes, somebody says no. Yes, they're just flipped around.
No.
Should we do it by a vote? Is that how we should prove things are the same?
No.
By a vote. Let's vote. Who says they're the same? Who says they're different? Okay. How about this? What if we actually had a mathematical way to either say that yes, they are the same, or no, they aren't the same? And that's what we're doing today. Mathematically showing that 2 things are the same or not the same. Are these the same?
Yes.
What do you think?
Yeah. I'd say so.
Are they the same?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Maybe, I mean,
What do
some
you
of
think?
them have
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What do you say now?
No.
Well,
Yeah.
are those guys the same triangle?
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you see what I did?
Yeah.
Let's try it again. Watch. Okay, ready? Are they the same?
Yes.
They are?
No.
Yes, they are. They're just
Yes, but they need to be.
What should I do? What do you want me to do?
180-degree angle. Diagonal.
Are they the same?
Yes.
Look at that.
Oh.
If I can put one of them right on top of the other one, I can say they're the same. Let's try another one. Look at this. Are they the same?
No.
No.
Sure. What if I move it like this? Now are they the same?
No.
No.
Oh, they're not the same. So what we're going to do today, we are going to use our transformations to get one shape right on top of the other shape. And if we can get them right on top of each other, then we can say they're congruent or they're not congruent. Yes.
So if you have 2 that aren't the same,
Okay.
and then you put them next to each other as best that you can.
Yep.
And there's like a bit hanging out. It's most likely going to be like a triangle shape hanging out, right?
It depends what shapes we're dealing
Okay.
with.
But like if it is triangles, and then couldn't you use Pythagorean theorem to find the extra? How much
Yeah,
is
you
bigger?
probably could, but that's not what we're trying to do. We're going to try to take 2 shapes and put them right on top of each other and then say, look, they're the same. Or we're going to say, look, they're not the same. And this word of same, we're going to get that into our notes. We're not going to be using the word same anymore. Congruent. In your notes, this sentence, congruent, identical in form, exact same shape. Get the word congruent along with the definition. Congruent. Nice. Are these congruent? Congruent? Yes. Come on, what do you think? Congruent? Yeah. Yes. Oh, congruent? Yes. What is that? Congruent? Yes. Meaning they're the exact same shape. All right. I'll drive if you give me the directions. I want to get this one right on top of that one. But you can only use transformations. Actually, let's sing and dance. You haven't done the dance in a while. Stand up, come on. Let's remember our 3, the transformations we're using today. With happiness, with smiley faces. We don't go to miserable middle school. Like this.
Braden.
You got it. Here. Okay, ready to go. Boom, like this. The happier you look, the less likely I am to come over and get right in your face. Okay, here we go. Translation, translation, reflection, reflection, rotation, rotation, dilation, dilation. One more time. Translation, translation, reflection, reflection, rotation, rotation, dilation, dilation. That's a really good threat right there. I was telling them if they didn't look happy, I'd come get in their faces, but you guys look pretty happy. Good. So, the three things you can tell me to do are translations, reflections, and rotations. So, raising a hand, who can tell me how to get this thing on top of that thing? Okay. Cameron.
If the y-axis is in the middle, you can reflect it.
Okay, so definitely a reflection. Let's just do a reflection right here. Reflection. Mark.
So you gotta drive it on top of the other.
I don't know the word drive.
Move it.
I don't know the word move.
Piss in the gas.
Oh, translation?
Okay.
So you've gotta translate it on top of the other one?
You got to give me words like left and right,
So you gotta go to my right.
which is the same as my right.
Yes. To on top of the other one.
So you want me to translate it?
Yeah.
Which direction?
To the right.
Okay. Translate it to the right. What do you want me to do now?
Now you need
Michael.
Translate it down.
Nice. So what can, ready? Gianna, so what can you tell me about these two triangles?
that they're the same.
That's not the word we're going to use.
Congruent.
They are congruent. I proved that they are congruent. I did a reflection and then a translation. You are done with your notes. You now need a whiteboard and marker. Keep your notebook out. You're going to use it later.
Oh no. You can ask Dan.
Yeah.
I can get it.
All the way over to the
I don't mind it. I don't mind it.
I am trying to prove that this shape, figure A, is congruent to A prime. I need you to tell me on your whiteboard, using words like translate, up, down, rotate, reflect, how do I get this on top of this?
Oh, shoot.
And I need numbers, not just up and down, left and right. I need exact numbers. Hold on to your board for a moment. will you be the mover?
Yeah.
Come on up here and be the mover.
All right.
Great job.
It's the mover.
Do I tell them the process?
No. They
Just
tell
do it.
you, and you have to do it.
Okay.
Now, let's start with Dakota. You have to read your board exactly how you have it written. Actually, no, you have to hold it up and Shane reads it. Okay.
Translate it down 2 squares.
Stop. Translate it down 2 squares.
1, 2.
Okay.
And 2 to the right 2 squares.
1, 2.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Does anybody have something different? Okay, Shane Ganter, hold your board up and read it. Have Dakota read it.
Okay, translate to the right.
1, 2.
Translate it down.
Okay. 1, 2.
Nice. Well done. Anybody have something different? Okay. Show
Oh
your.
no, it's the same thing, but I can make it.
No, you don't need to make it different. We're actually looking for the most efficient way of getting it there. Because I could go, hey, translate it down 27, and then rotate it 360, and then reflect it, and then reflect it, and then move it, and do it, and blah, 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 blah. Okay. But our goal is to get there in the most efficient way possible. Good job to you. Questions? Nice bow. Then let's go on to the next slide. Slide number 8. How do you get the top triangle totally on top of the bottom triangle? Number 8. See, got some people that are driving me to Vegas, but we're going to go to San Francisco first, it looks like. And then maybe Seattle. Okay. And then some of you are just going to take me straight there. Okay, we'll see if that works. I don't know. We'll try out these different ones. Talitha, do you want to be the mover? Come on, Talitha. Talitha the mover. And I'll help you if you get confused by the moves. Okay, Bot. Bot's going to tell you. Actually, Bot, can you show your board to Griffin, and he's going to read it.
Okay, rotate it 180 degrees clockwise and move it 2.
Okay, stop. So I'm going to assume that that's around the origin. So what we're doing, 180. I'm going to put it down here. But so do a 180 just with that. Good. Keep going. Okay, so there's a 180, and I'm going to tell you that it's going to end up right there. Okay? And then keep going, Griffin.
And then move it 2 down.
Then move it 2 down. Okay. 1, 2 down. Are we done with that one, Griffin? Okay, I don't think that one worked. Let's reset it. Reset it. Put it back up here. Who's got one? Brooke, I saw yours. Can we give it a shot? No? Cameron? No, you're just telling. So actually, you're not. You're showing your board to Eva, and she's reading it.
Reflect across x-axis.
Reflect across the x-axis. So that isn't a reflection. You just did a translation. A reflection, ready? Now, let's make sure, do the A's, B's, and C's line up? What's that? A, C, C, B, B. I think that worked. Reflect across the x-axis. You have something different?
No, my mom was good.
Okay. Anybody have something else we can try? Because there's more than one way sometimes.
Well,
Come on. No, why are you erasing your boards? We're not done. Don't you?
I got the same thing as box.
Narita, let's give it a shot. Please don't erase your boards yet. What's yours?
You transfer it down 2 and then rotate 360.
1, 2. Now, even if I rotate, well, 360 is going to do a full thing. Even if I do something like this, that's not. A rotation's not going to get me there. Like, no matter what I do, at some point I'm going to have to reflect it. A reflection is a flip. So it's going to take a reflection at some point. Thank you, Talita. That was number 8. Let's go on to number 9.
What?
When you say move over, I don't know if that means left or right. Yeah, be more specific there. Okay, hold on to that. I can read that and that makes sense. I could follow those instructions. We'll see if they work though. When you say reflect it, I don't know if you want to reflect it across the X or across the Y. Okay, hold on to that. Okay, I can follow those instructions. Okay, hold on to that. Hold on to those answers so far. Okay, hold on to that. I think a lot of you are counting squares. What's that from here to here?
1.
2,
Oh. Oh yeah.
right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You might have to change your number. Andrew, come be the mover. Brayden, will you read Gianna's to us?
Sure.
Wait for it. Okay, you got it. Here we go, Zeke.
Reflect across x-axis.
Reflected across the x-axis.
Something like this.
Beautiful. That was yes, that's exactly the right. That's totally the reflection. It's beautiful. Okay.
Then and move 12
Move.
to the right.
Do you know the word move? I don't know. Say, I do not know the word move.
I do not know the word move.
Translate. Translate.
We're changing it to translate.
Wait, do I read directly off of this?
Nah, you did. Okay, we're fixing it. How far do you want to translate it?
Translate
Now you can
8
go back to
over
that.
to the right.
Now you're back to her board though.
Oh,
We're
okay.
changing the word move to translate.
Translate 12 to the right.
12 to the right.
4, 5. Oh, no, this is, yeah, this is 12.
That's 12 because each square is actually worth 2 units.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Who has something different? Don't erase boards yet. Who's got? Let's try something different. Okay, bot. No, you're still a mover. You're the mover. Okay, bot. You do not get to read yours. You have to show it to Nathaniel and he reads it.
Reflect across the x-axis.
Reflect across the x-axis. That was actually a rotation and a translation right there. That wasn't a reflection.
Just like this.
Yeah, you might have to, yeah, that's what you did last time. You just have to move the magnet. Okay, reflect across the x-axis, done.
And then translate it to the right.
Translate it to the right 8 units. Count for us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. That's it. So I think it really needs to move 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it should be 12 unit translation. Somebody's different? Okay. Michael, read Narena's.
Oh, okay. You translate it 12 units to the right.
Well, I think I see what she's about to do. Who else sees what she's about to do?
Oh.
You think you know the next step already?
11, 12.
Okay. Let's see if I am anticipating the right thing and
Then reflect it upon the x-axis.
reflect it over the x. Ah. It's pretty much the exact same thing, isn't it? Just you just switch the order. Perfect. Nicely done. Anybody have something? Yes? Okay, Narena, you're gonna read Michael's.
Reflect upon the x-axis.
Okay, you got this. Reflect over x.
And translate 8 to the right.
Okay, translate 8 to the right. Like this is bots.
7,
That's 10. That's 8 right there. That's good. Okay, and
That's it.
that's it. That was bots.
Well, yeah, I wrote 4 down instead of 8.
Okay. You got something different, Cameron?
I do.
Okay. I'm gonna have Sam read yours.
Okay, hold on. Let me write it down real quick,
No, I'm not gonna wait. It should already be written down. You
Okay.
changed yours?
sorry. I have it.
You have a question? Yes.
Why would it be 12?
Because each unit is 2, right? This is 1, 2. Here, I do the reflection. I need to get that corner on top of that corner. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each one of these is 2 units. Don't just count the squares, gotta actually count the units. Which, when we were doing Pythagorean theorem, did that happen? Sometimes you had to count be careful. I can't remember. Okay, yes. You have something different? Not oversee. All right. Who's gonna read it? Okay, Michael, read it.
Reflect the x-axis.
Reflect the x-axis. Is that what it says?
Reflect the x-axis. That's what it says.
You want to fix it?
Over?
There we go. Reflect over the x-axis. Cool.
Then rotate it 12 right. Translate it 12 times
Okay.
to the right.
Okay.
1,
Yes.
2,
I feel like we've already done this one.
yeah.
Okay, and
Then 360 rotation.
around. Okay, 360 rotation. Go. Keep going. That's a 180. Keep.
Oh, it's-
And actually, it would be like this. If we're doing it around the origin, it'd be to there, to there, to there, to there. Okay. There's your 360.
Then a 180 rotation.
And then a what after that?
Then another 180 rotation.
Okay, I'm done. Let's go on to the next one.
Good job.
I'm just
Thank you.
doing what
Yeah, you're just doing what you're
told to
told to
read.
What are we on, 10?
Chess.
Yes.
I have one more that I think.
Oh, I'm going to keep moving. That one took a little bit longer than I anticipated. Number 10. Come up with a transformation. Yes, sir. Origin. the mover? Oh, so many people want to be the mover. Bot, get up there, be a mover. Will you tell Bot how to move? I think we're gonna have Sam read your board though.
Okay.
Okay.
Reflect over y-axis. Then translate down 9 units.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But you know what? I think we're right there.
Yeah.
Is there more to it?
No.
She's done.
Oh, to the right one.
Did she just add that?
Yeah.
Is it really there?
Yeah, it is.
Is it? Okay. Did you just add it?
Yeah.
Good for you. Way to adapt and modify it quickly. That's super.
It should be 2, not 9 to the right. Or no.
So I think right there, 1, 2 to the right.
Yeah.
Nicely done. Who's got something different? Ganter, you got something different? Okay, I'm gonna have Sophia read Ganter's then. Okay. Okay, there you can you can't reflect across the origin because it's not a line, but I can reflect it across this line right here, which is y equals x. That would put me right there. Okay, that's how I'm gonna handle what you just said. Keep reading.
Then rotate 180 clockwise.
Okay, that's gonna put me 180 clockwise.
Wait, what?
Well, I know.
In
Oh, okay. So,
place, like not moving
Well,
around.
so when you tell me to rotate, we always assume it's around the origin. That's what we've been doing. So let me see though. Try this again, Bot. I know. So you did this, and then what do you? Then a rotation of 180,
Yeah.
90, 180. Even if I move.
I think it. Wait, would it work for
Counterclockwise?
clockwise or no?
Well, no, because a 180 is gonna. No, a 180 is gonna be a 180 no matter which direction. Okay, Paulette, will you read Mark's?
It's a little confusing, but
Well,
like the last part, I didn't know what to say, like the words to use.
okay.
Oh, 180, rotate it.
Okay, stop right there. So he wants a 180 rotation. Do a 180 rotation around the origin. Okay, good. It's a really nice rotation. Keep going.
Then flip it.
Then then flip it.
Yeah, I
That
don't.
a flip is called. What's a flip called for us?
A backflip.
Rotation.
No, raising a hand. What is a flip called?
Reflection.
A reflection. A flip is called reflection.
Oh, okay.
So reflected across what? X or Y?
Well, I was meaning to like somehow reflect it in place.
Like do that.
No, like so if you take that and then you flip that upside down,
Okay, flip it upside. Okay.
kind of like that. But then I didn't realize that it would
Yeah.
still be kind of off.
I don't think it's going to get us there. And the language you use doesn't get us there.
Yeah.
One other one? Okay, you've got one?
I do.
Eva, will you read Cameron's?
Translate 2 units left.
One.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. 2 units left. Got it.
And then reflect across y-axis.
Fletch across the y-axis. Okay.
Then translate down 4 minutes.
No, that's.
Oh, 9 minutes.
Okay. That works. So you did it in 3 steps, and I think that's as good as what we had before.
Yeah, I just.
Yeah. That's clever. It's nice. All right, let's go on to number 11. You know, we're going to skip number 11. Let's go on to number 12. You know, come up.
Okay.
Just move it around and get it on top.
So,
No, just don't talk. Just move it. Any way you want. Slide it around. Now don't think about the translations. Just get it on top. Okay, but you know what? Do I have this? I'm wrong on this. Here, this is how. There. Okay. There. C-A-B. Now get it on top.
just like go straight to it?
However you want to move it. Just move it on top. Does it match up?
No.
It doesn't. What doesn't match up?
So A and B don't match up.
Okay, so keep playing with it.
So then you have to say like flip.
Okay, what's a flip called?
Flip is called translation.
No, translation's a move.
Reflection.
Yeah, a reflection. So do a flip. Boom. So what did it take to make it happen? It took a move, which is,
A translation.
and it took a flip, which is.
Reflection.
So you know you've got a translation and a reflection to make this happen.
Okay. Okay.
Because we couldn't do it with just a rotation. Like a rotation would be, rotating in it. So I don't think there's a rotation in this. I feel like a translation and a reflection in some order. You know what, once you get up there, be the mover.
Okay.
And you listen to their language and see if you can follow what they're saying.
Okay.
Bum, bum, bum. Hey, Brooke, you got a board ready to go? How about Ava? You got something, Ava? All right, Nate, will you read it?
Rotated 180 degrees across the y-axis.
So a rotation is around the origin, not across an axis. So I can do a reflection across y. Do a reflection across y.
So it
A
should
mirror across y. A flip across y. Yeah, I know there's some strong magnets. I know, I make it look
so
easy.
it should be right here, right?
Beautiful. That's exactly how it should be. There's the reflection across y. Keep reading.
Alright. Then translate it down 7 units.
Take it down 7.
So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think maybe it went too far. Reset the problem. Brooke, can I have Cameron read yours? Okay, Cameron's going to read Brooke's. You know what? Let me Okay, it's reset because I have the letters matching again.
Okay.
Perfectly reset.
Okay, reflect across the y-axis.
Reflect across the y. Okay.
Then translate 6 units down.
So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check the letters. Are the letters matching up?
A, B, B, C, C.
The letters have to match up. Because I could have it flipped over like this. And is that good?
No.
No, letters have to match up. Nicely done. Any other ways to do that one? Bot? Is it going to be a direct route? Or are you going to take me to like Las Vegas? Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Down. Go down.
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3,
This is good.
4, 5, 6.
And then
Reflect across the line.
reflect across the y. So just switch the order of it. Also a good method right there. Reset the problem. And
That's our last one.
that's our last one. Dude, time to get up here. Let's do our outro. Homework tonight is all in Google Classroom. You just have to write, you're going to write what you did on the whiteboards into your notebook. So it's going to show you a picture online and you just write out how you're going to make it happen. It's what we just did in class and I think you have to do it like 10 times. You've got this. Dude, this was a good lesson. High five. Boom.
Boom.
All right.
I'll
So
do this.
let's dance. Ready? Let's do it. Ready? So ready?
Translation, translation, reflection, reflection, rotation, rotation, dilation, dilation.
Okay, subscribe and like.
comment, like, hit the bell ringer, and bring them a burrito.
Bring me a burrito. Thanks. Bye.